Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Positive Drive. And today it's a new week in Cebu. It's October 5, supposed to be the first day of classes on public school. So kung mga kids na nasa public schools, ready na ba mo sa inyong mga modules, sa inyong online classes, diba? Yes, but today on this Positive Drive, we'll be talking about new tips gihapon on how to become better, how to thrive in this difficult situation, how to grow in spite of the situation na challenging kayo, but we can still grow for sure. Yes, I believe na mo grow gihapon ta, di ba? Kamo guys, mobilid man mo ana, diba? That we can still grow despite unsa kalisod. Even, plants grows, mutubo maghay mga tanom gay sa mga lisod kay na yuta. There are plants in the desert even, diba? So mana, how can we be that, diba? So kung sa term pa sa uban, they call it anti-fragile. Well, a new tip for today is basically how to be more positive, how to become better, is to surround yourself with positive people or surround yourself with supporters, diba? Because sometimes we have dreams, we have goals, natay mga ambition, natay ganahan mahitabo, yet sometimes or many times in our life, I guess we are surrounded with haters, we are surrounded with negative people na usahay hasta kita madala na noon sa panon. For example, sa trabaho na iban ganahan ambisyoso kay ka, but when you go ang imong mga barkada puro reklamador, usahay maanod yung gasbaha hasta ikaw mahimo na kang reklamador because birds of the same feather flock together. Pero mao na ba, diba? Kay kung magkuy-kuyog ka sa mga reklamador, most likely magkuan sa ka, mahimo kang reklamador, or else ikaw sigig kuan nila, alsa nila, which is so hard also na di isa na marakag santo, and that would be so difficult as well. So mana today we're gonna talk about surrounding ourselves with the right people, with positive people, with people who support you, especially kang ikaw na kay ambition, mahimo kang artista pero ay imong mga sa ibang balay may una manaway nimo, una mag-make fun of you, which is mahitabo gid na. So parang muyon ko ninyo na yes, bisag sa basketball gali, there's such a thing as Homecourt Advantage, na the team, ang home team normally, ba, usa ka team has a better home record than ang road record nila, na they always perform better at home. That's kuan gina most of the teams on the average, mao gina even ang pinakabanga na team, most likely they'll get their wins diha sa ilang balay rather than ato sa road, diba? Na kuan kina surprising kina mga teams na kada maayos sila sa road, yan di sila maayos sa ilang home, because sa home lahi ra ginang naimo abiba nimo or even ng korte god. O diba? So manang sa atong life sad, we surround ourselves with people na moabiba na ato, not necessarily para mo goal, but at least they'll support you. Let's say nag-dream ka na mong singer, nindot ka ng parents na supportive kaayo, nindot ka ng nakay mga friends na fan kay nimo, na believe jud nimo, na would give you encouraging words in difficult situations. So the same thing sa nakaroon na pandemic, di ba na we need friends na kuan na labi na kung nakasusa ka depressing situation, lisod ka na you put yourself in an island na ikaw ra kay basig unsa lang imong manaunaan, especially lisod imong state ba sige ang imong mind unsa na lang masturya sa imong self basig unsa imong buhaton. But you surround yourself with really positive people, with the right people, with the people who can encourage you, who would nurture you, who would bring you step closer to a dream. Money nindot. For example sa work, di ba nindot nang naka-mentor ang imong manager mo sa imong mentor na who would want you to grow, who would train you, who would hold you, who would cultivate your skills, who would praise you, motivate you. Of course, kung criticize usahay, but constructive criticism to improve you. So manang kanamang ingana ba kaysa naman kanang di ba lahi ng environment na kang pirmi lang kakasabaan na di ka kasabot wa kay buhatong sakto, daog-daogon ka, tan-aw nimo kuan kay ka, di ba usahay eventually mo kuan mangud na. That would be so heavy on you. So mana today you atong tip is you surround yourself with kana ingana na people. For example, ganahan ka mo niwang, you surround yourself with people with the same goals na kay kuyog mag-exercise, mag-walking, mag-swimming every day, or a coach who will help you na, oh, fight, laban pa, kaya pa na nimo, you can push further, you can push harder. Yeah, manay kuan ba na tinabangay ta na hopefully yes, kung karon sa panahon in the age of Zoom and online meetings, we need to, so surround ourselves gyapon bisad online na people who are positive, or people na would support your goals, would encourage you to do something. So manay mo mga chat group dapat more encouraged, di lang puro libak, di lang puro negatibo, di lang puro pangaway or away-away. We need positive vibes, hinabangay, praising, kung pwede sa competing pero healthy competition, kaya bang you want to make each other better rather than kaya bang ganahan mo isahan siya, ganahan mo lamangan, lisod sad kay na, di ba? Mo balik sana sa imo. So mana, yes, kung you're a positive person, mausa na same thing you have to recognize. For example, you have brothers, sisters, or friends who have goals na personally important sa ila, even if tanaw nimo, instead na mag-hater ka, why not encourage them? Who knows ba they can really do it. Ila gud ng dream, committed gud na sila ana. So dapat mo kita mo give ta nila og chance, mo hatag ta nila kuan praise, kung isa lang ni praise, hatag kita nila kuan ba kanang hatag silang i-uplift, di ba? Especially kung nag-training ka, especially kung you're really starting out, that's really one of the hardest things. Especially if you have challenging goals as well. For example, you wanna succeed in life, for example, or you wanna go higher. Kinahanglan lagi tekuan na kay support system, and having friends na positive, family na positive na moabiba nimo is really important. So sometimes karong panahon na, yes, we should slowly recognize the people who are with you, who are not against you, kasi basig abi nimo kuan, but diba? Recognize those people, give thanks to those people who are with you, who are trying to help you, who are helping you, or supporting you. Of course, usay man gud basig kuan sad kinahanglan sa nato sila abibahan na mo abiba pa sila sa imo more. So manang kuan lang na tinabangay ta na abibahay, giving each other kuan some good words, kind words, some words lang na, pero it might be words, but those words could go further. So mo thank you to sa mga tao na nag-abiba nato, mo thank you to sa mga followers, mo thank you to sa mga himog good comments niya kanang takes time to watch. Thank you by the way sa mga niabot ali na time para almost 9-10 minutes na ta, and napadayon mo pagpaminaw. Salamat kasi it means so much to us also na naamo kuyog mo sa biyahe ni kuyog mo og ni kuan mo sa biyahe ni suporta mo ani. So naagihapon ta diri sa kuan, medyo traffic lang gamay, pero yes, Mauro gina atong tip today is really surround ourselves with positive people, with the right people, so that we improve itong environment, we improve itong mindset, and then the changes that we want to happen will happen, diba? So mana yeah, then also look out for those people sa na negative na tao na marabag makes it difficult for you, na marabag maghatag og emotional burden sa imuha. Kay dili sa dakuan bali sa na sa goal, ninyo bay. So manang suporta lang, nirayan mo na, watch out kinsa inyong ibutang sa inyong circle para hapsay ang atong dagan padulong sa atong mga damgo. Yes, so do you believe has it ever occurred to you na sometimes mo na ni-happen na ba na sa imo na you had people na against your goals, na close sa imo, na natanaw nimo na mga ilang kagamay ng suporta man lang, bisan man lang words of encouragement, pero what mahatag? Has it ever occurred to you? And di ba lahayog epekto? And balisad, has it occurred to you, di ba, na you were supported by people, and did it really affect your performance ba, o wala? Let me know, because para ma-learn sa tanasakto bagid ang surrounding ourselves with positive people will yield positive results, diba? And if ever guys na po may mga tips para for a better life, better performance, happier existence, a more positive mindset, let me know, because daghan pa gid yang tips na wa pa nato ma-explore. And today, yes, we just talk about surrounding ourselves with positive people, giving encouragement to each other. Having that home court advantage is very important for to survive, to thrive, and to really surpass expectations and achieve difficult goals, right? So thank you so much for listening on this positive drive. Nanata tayo sa San Siangco. And yes, we are here in the downtown Cebu, and thank you so much for listening, and I hope pohon maminaw pa muna ko, and see you na sa sunod na to ng mga biyahe. Bye.